on my truck. I have a light bulb out on the third brake light, and I'm gonna replace it. I have 4 screws to take out in order to access the light bulb behind this red glass. All screws are out, and here is the light bulb. I will take this assembly out if I can with one hand for easy access, but it looks like I won't be able to. I'm gonna press this button here and then separate it from the rest of the truck, so it will be easier for me to take this light bulb out, but I have to have 2 hands. Here is that piece connector that we need to push here, and it will release from the rest of the assembly. And in order to take this light bulb, I will need to twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, and like this, just pull it out without twisting or anything, like this. So it is bad. I can see this little piece broken, and it is HT921. So I purchased already replacement from AutoZone. Actually, O'Reilly. AutoZone was not accessible because of road work, and it's about $6. And I found it online searching for Ram 1500 2019, and that's what came up. So I'm going to take one of these and replace it. Here's the light bulb. Need to position it in the way that it goes, which is not easy with one hand, but basically I just need to push it in and it will be together, but I'll need to do it with both hands. If I support it on the back of the assembly, I'll be able to show you how that clicks in, but there we are. So basically just a little push and it is done. So now put it back in this housing. We need to match it with these slats and twist it clockwise, and that will be it. What's remaining is to connect whole assembly with connector in the truck, and that will be it. This part I will do with both hands. Here we are. This is connected, and I can push all this back into truck. So one of the last things is to put screws in and test it. Okay, here I will push the brake pedal. Somebody else will actually, and here is the light on and off. So that is sign that it works. That's all what it takes to change light bulb. Easy job, but sometimes it is important to know where it is and what to take off to change it. I hope this will help somebody, and if it does, I'll be pleased. Questions and comments will be welcome. Thank you for watching.